Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix unverified phone numbers in Google Ads. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Ads website. Then after that, just go here to the sign in option. Then just sign in your account. And after you sign in, this homepage will open up. So after you sign in, just go and look for the goals option here. So after you click on goals, you'll be able to see the conversions menu. So just click here and you'll be able to see the summary option. Just click here on summary. And after you click on summary, just go over here to create conversion action. So just click on it. And after that, you'll see this page open up. So you'll be able to see like the option for tracking phone numbers that runs from your ads. So just click on it, and after that you will be able to fix your unverified phone number issue in Google Ads. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.